Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this tutu wreath out of tulle. Here's the supplies you'll need. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is take your first color of tulle, feed it underneath your wreath, and match up the side edges so that they are even over that inner bar. You're going to put a dot of hot glue to keep everything secure, and continue matching up those side edges, pulling to the left and ruffling as you go. When you get to the end of that section, you're going to put another dot of hot glue to keep everything secure and clip it away for the next color. After you've done each section in the colors that you've chosen, it should look something like this. For the tulle flowers, you're going to layer two different colors of tulle together, cut about 20-inch strips, gather it up, and then secure it with a wire. Once it's secure in the middle, you can trim that wire. I'm also trimming my flower size so that it's a bit smaller and adding my bead of choice. Once you've made as many tulle flowers as you want, you glue them to your wreath and you are done with your project. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy wreath making!